And if you thought the Vegas guitar pool had gimmicks to spare, just check out the pool belonging to the Spire family of Northridge, California. They wanted something cool and customized for their new pool, too. So David and Tony Spire tapped designer Scott Cohen to give them an Oasis with a twist.
The twist is that it's shaped like a martini glass.
It's a backyard casino royale that James Bond would kill for.
I may not be licensed to kill, but I am licensed to design a killer backyard.
Like many whimsical features, the idea for this one came straight from the designer's experiences with the family. After all, they don't call it a custom pool for nothing.
I particularly like to drink martinis.
This was David's birthday, and they were serving every different kind of flavor martini you could imagine. Spire's martinis, they just seem to go together hand in hand.
We really kind of latched on to that idea.
It was a great idea, but then Scott had to figure out a way to actually build the thing.
Designing a martini spa was very easy to draw. A couple angles, some swirls. Wow, what a great idea. It became a little bit more complex to build as we went to construct the spa. Having concrete stay in that shape was next to impossible. We couldn't get it to stick upside down. So what we did instead is we created a form on site as a mold, and then we hand-packed the concrete into the mold and carved it smooth so that we could then tile it.
The crew used 1-inch square tiles and then topped off their glass with 200 gallons of water. The best part? You can order your martini spa shaken or stirred.
It has jets that pulsate on your body. You flip a valve and it rotates, creating a whirlpool. So you have a choice of shaken or stirred while in the martini glass.
And why spend a ton of dough hitting the Caribbean when your own backyard has the latest in pool cool, a swim-up bar?
This spa has a swim-up bar. It allows the client to serve to the spa, to play cards. In the spa itself, we have bar stools. And on top of the bar stools, I made martini glass tiles.
When he says he made them, well, he means it. Scott handcrafted all of the custom tiles featured in the pool himself, with a little help from the Spires that they didn't know about.
I stole one of their martini glasses without them knowing, and I made a mold of it, and I cast it out of porcelain, and I made a dozen different martini glass tiles that match their own martini set. And we created a backsplash on the barbecue made out of these martini glasses, the wine bottles, and the scotch bottles.
We actually painted, hand-painted, with the children in his garage. So each of them are individually made.
As parents, the Spires were glad to see that their kids loved their new pool too.
We laughed at each other because when we looked at the final feature, we thought, what are we doing? We've got 2 kids.
Right.
But the kids have found different ways to use it themselves, which makes it fun for them. They can play in the spa, they'll slip over the glass into the pool.
Or jump off of the side there.
Straight up, it's the perfect cocktail for family, friends, and fun.
We have the backsplashes, the martini glasses, and the wine bottles, and it just says, hey, let's come to the Spires and relax.
And enjoy life.
Yeah.
And enjoy life. That's really what it's all about.
This pool and spa cost about $140,000. You might want to start a tab.